Good morning to everybody. Today I will show you how to do a nano treatment. Let's start to introduce the cartridge into the Nano Cell equipment. I open the cartridge, I check that all the plastic paper are gone. I connect the tube, I choose the siliconic head, and now I start the treatment. I start the treatment turn on the machine, and that's the nanorization is started. The treatment is finished, and we have, of course, to sanitize the cup, the one we was in contact with the skin. We have to sanitize reflex. We have to sanitize the metal cup here. Now I extract the cartridge. We have to well sanitize the cup here with alcohol. That's the best way to sanitize. And also the bottom part of where you apply the cartridge. When you have done this, you just can close, and the Nano CellCare is ready for a second treatment.